Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style jerk chicken in the oven. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make my Jamaican style jerk chicken. So this is the chicken I'm going to use, the leg quarter. I just need to clean them and wash them. So these are the ingredients to make my jerk seasoning from scratch. Here I have 1 onion, I have fresh thyme, I have Scotch bonnet pepper, I have scallions, I have garlic, I have ginger, I have pimento. I'm also going to use some lime juice, grace browning, a little cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, some vegetable oil, some brown sugar. To wash the chicken, I'm going to use white vinegar and 1 lemon. To season the chicken, I'm going to use my all-purpose seasoning. For the sodium, I'm going to use garlic powder and onion powder. Now I'm cleaning the chicken, right? So when you're cleaning the chicken, make sure to get out all of this, okay? We're not eating this from the chicken, so you want to get out all of this. You cut off them fat here. For the skin, you want to scrape off this, okay? We're not eating this from the chicken, okay? So scrape off all of this. You see a lot of people cook chicken with this yellow thing. You need to get this off also. You need to scrape it off like this. See? You scrape it off. Stop give people this to eat. Remember, we're eating the chicken, we're not eating nothing from the chicken. So you have to clean up the chicken properly. You see how easy it come on? Just spend an extra 2 minutes, okay? Alright, some of this skin, you need to cut off some of this skin. You don't need all of this. So remember, this is jerk chicken. We're not gonna get off all the fat, okay? We now get to get out all the fat. So like these could stay. It's going to burn off in the oven. If I even cook it on the charcoal, is the same thing. In the jerk pan is the same thing. These going to melt out when you eat it because it's fat. It's going to melt. Okay? Alright, so scrape it. Scrape the skin properly. So if you're making jerk chicken and you remove all the skin from the chicken is going to dry. You don't need to remove all the skin from the chicken, okay? So you want it to look like this. Don't remove all the skin from the chicken. But through, get out all of this. This, cut this. We're not eating this. See? Scrape the skin. Look for the excess feathers and pick them out. the tail, you turn it like this and you cut it off. So this one is very big. So what you want to do, you want to poke it with the knife for the seasoning to marinate inside of it when you season it up, okay? Because it's thick, it's very big. This one, all these yellow stuff, you scrape it off. Scrape out, you see? So much stuff come from it. Now I'm going to wash the chicken with lemon and vinegar. You want to roll the chicken them individual and scrub them with the lemon. Now I'm prepping the ingredients to make the jerk marinade. Just chop them just like this. As you can see, I already washed them. I'm going to use my food processor blender to make the jerk marinade. So I'm going to add the thyme. Thyme already washed. Peppers, wash. Going to add scallions. Going to add the ginger, brown sugar, pimentos, 1 pinch nutmeg powder, pinch of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon grace browning, 2 tablespoons lime juice. Going to add the garlic, vegetable oil, so this is how it look when it finish. If you want it to be more darker than this, all you have to do just add some more brown into it. Now I'm going to season the chicken them. 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning. For the jerk marinade, I'm going to use 4 tablespoons jerk marinade. So for the chicken, you want to make sure the seasoning get underneath the skin. So you have to make it look like this, push it underneath the skin. So this is how my chicken look when it finished. Seasoned to perfection. Now I'm going to allow it to marinate for 2 hours before I put it in the oven. Or you could make it stay overnight for deeper flavors. So this is what I'm going to put the chicken to jerk on in the oven. So if you're interested in it, I'm just going to leave the link below. It is already 2 hours since I put the chicken to marinate. So I have my oven preheated at 450 degrees. Now I'm going to put the chicken inside the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, my people, time to take the chicken out the oven. And this time they take a little longer to cook. They take 45 minutes to cook. So now I'm going to take them out the oven. Look at them here. Nice and tasty. Now I'm going to cut one for you. Cut the biggest one. Look at this. Cooked to perfection. Look at this, my people. Jerk chicken cooked to perfection. So here you have it. Oven jerk chicken. I'm going to add some of my jerk sauce on it. I also have a video on the channel how we make my jerk sauce, so you can check it out. Go for the bite. It cooked to perfection, my people. Full of flavor. Nice and tasty. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. See you in the next video.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.